All right, guys and gals. So this is gonna be the first of a few different videos I'm gonna film for you guys. But I just wanted to show you guys the process for entering in new leads into your Trello boards. So you guys should have all got invites to your Trello boards to the emails you guys sent me. And so basically, what you guys will do is if you click this card as a template, click here and then do create card from template. That will create a new card. And then it's just going to say yes to screencast. So you guys can keep it as this. You can also put the business name in here if you guys want. I really don't care which one. You'll just do create card. And that will give you another card that you can then edit. So this is the information I need from you guys. Niche, it's going to be the same for everybody right now because everybody's doing painting contractors. We might start breaking this up and having you guys do different niches, and so it does help if you guys do put that in there. City, then date and time you called. This is super important because we want to get these screencasts out within 24 hours, so it is really important that you guys put that date and time in there. Business name, that's pretty straightforward. Phone number for the business that you guys called. Person who will watch the screencast. So as you guys are calling, if you guys are getting gatekeepers, it is important that we know who will actually be watching this screencast, and then email to send screencast to. And I'm actually going to edit this a little bit also because I want to know the name of the person you guys talked to when you did the cold call as well. That's really important. Because I want to be able to say, hey, Susie from the front desk said that you might be interested in watching this video, kind of a deal. So I am going to add that to these for all of you guys as well. So I want that name also. But that's basically it. So you'll put all that information right here in comment, and then hit save, and that will enter it in. And so the same thing is going to be applied for the next one. You guys will just go here, create a card from template. And you can see that now there's another one after that also. So it's that simple. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up and I can answer them for you.